Keller Williams. It's Rob Morelli here for HomeKeepr, and I have some really big news that you might have already heard. HomeKeepr is now a Keller Cloud Innovator Partner, and we're now integrated with Command Contacts. Well, what does that mean for you? Well, it means that we've made it even easier for you to give your clients all of the agent-branded home ownership tools that help you keep your clients for life. That means the agent-branded mobile app, the home ownership blog, home maintenance tips, the moving concierge, money-saving email offers, and lots more. Your clients will be invited to use all of it automatically, and all you need to do is enter their contact information one time in Command, and we'll take care of the rest. Let's see how it works. All right, what you've got in front of you here on the screen is the HomeKeepr listing in the Keller Williams Marketplace. All right, for those of you who are new to HomeKeepr, this page will give you all the information you need and explain all the different features and benefits of HomeKeepr. All right, the first step to get started is to click the red Activate button in the top right of the listing. All right, this will take you through to a checkout process. Now, one thing that I haven't mentioned yet, and I want to mention right now, is that HomeKeepr is completely free when you activate through the Keller Williams Marketplace. It is completely free. It doesn't cost you a thing. All right, so make sure you go here, click the Activate button through the Marketplace, and take you through this checkout process here, again, where it's not going to cost you anything. I'm going to click Continue down on the bottom right. It's going to skip the billing details tab, obviously, because there's nothing to charge. I'm going to agree to the terms of service and place my order. Okay, once my order is complete, I'm going to land on a page here, and down at the bottom, you're going to see it says Go to My Apps. For those of you who are new to the marketplace, any apps that you purchase from within the KW Marketplace are going to appear in your My Apps section. You can also find it at the top here, My Apps. Okay, this will now be your entryway into HomeKeepr going forward. All right, you don't need to create a new login and password at HomeKeepr. You'll be able to get into HomeKeepr at any time by coming back to KW Marketplace, going into My Apps, and clicking on the HomeKeepr logo right here. All right. If it's your first time using HomeKeepr, if your first time, we're going to take you through an onboarding process. We're going to help you set up your profile. I'm going to show you that right now. Okay, with just a click of a button, we're now into HomeKeepr. All right, first thing that we're going to need you to do on this step one here is give us some more information about you. Right, we already have your first name, last name, and email address. Now we need your phone number. Okay. Here's where we're going to ask you for your company name. This is where you're going to put your market center name. This is where you're going to put your team name, or however you do business is going to go in this field here. As a placeholder, we've put Keller Williams in there. We're going to need to know what state you're in. I'm in the state of New Jersey. Let us know what realtor association you're with. Let us know what market center you're with, and then tell us what zip code you're in. Okay. On to the next part is where we're going to need you to upload for us a profile picture. Okay, this is going to appear in your mobile app, and it's going to appear on all the email correspondence we send to your clients. So make sure it's a professional looking photo. You're going to click the upload button here. I'm going to put our stock demo agent in. You'll have the opportunity to crop it and zoom in, zoom out, all the things to make that profile picture look great, so that when it's time to add it to your app, it looks perfect for your clients. All right, you'll hit save and continue. On the next page is where you're going to add your company logo, your business logo. Again, we've got a stock logo in here for you, but if you've got one for your market center or for your team or for yourself, you can put that here as well. All right, on the next page, this is where we now help you to get your preferred vendor list started quickly. Okay, if we've got the preferred vendors from your market center or the preferred vendors from your local realtor association, you'll find them here. All right, you can simply check the boxes and we'll add them into your HomeKeepr profile. I'm going to skip this step, but it's up to you if you'd like to do that. And that's it. You've now completed your profile, and you've now got all the information in there that's going to make your app and any email correspondence we send out to your clients look great. The next step would be to add some vendors so that you have some of these local businesses available to your clients that are referred by you that they can access 24/7 should they need them. I'm not going to cover that in this video. That's going to be for a separate video at a separate time. For now, I want to get back to talking about how we connect with Command and how we import your contacts. Okay, so what happens next? You've got your profile set up and you're ready to get your clients into HomeKeepr. All right, first step is to make sure that you have contacts in Command. I'm sure all of you are using Command at a very high level right now, and you're starting to add your contacts to the database. All right, now that you're connected to HomeKeepr, what's going to happen is every night every morning, I should say, every morning, we're going to connect with Command and import all of the newest contacts that you added from the day before, okay? And then we're going to send you an email and let you know exactly which clients we've now added to HomeKeepr. You're going to get an email from us that looks like this. It's going to let you know here which of your clients we've imported from Command, okay? And we're going to give you the option, of opting any of those clients out of receiving a HomeKeepr invitation from us. Okay, if you don't want one of your clients to receive a HomeKeepr invitation, you can click on one of these two buttons here, which I'm going to show you in just a second, and opt them out of receiving a HomeKeepr invitation. You'll also have the chance to opt in any of these clients to the HomeKeepr branded moving concierge. Okay, this is where we help your new mover clients save time and money by helping them set up utilities, by helping them locate great deals on internet and cable, helping them find home security offers, helping them find homeowners insurance. The idea is we want to help them find and locate all the services that they need when they're moving into their new home, and we do it all on one phone call for them. Okay, so this is again only for your new mover clients that you're going to opt into the moving concierge program. Okay, I'm going to show you what it looks like when you click this button right now and how you can opt your clients out of invitation emails or into moving concierge. Okay, now we're on the page here after clicking the buttons in those in the email, where you're going to see that the 5 contacts that I had in Command are now in HomeKeepr. And now I have the option to take actions on each of these contacts. If I do nothing, if I don't click any of these buttons, if I never click the button in the email, then these 5 contacts will receive an invitation email from HomeKeepr prompting them to create an account. And if they do create an account, then they'll receive the option to download your mobile app with all your favorite home service pros in there. They'll receive blog posts from you on a regular basis, home maintenance tips, and everything else that we offer. Okay, but you do have the option to opt any individual client out of receiving an invitation email from us. Okay, so if you don't want somebody to receive it, you can click the buttons right here. If you don't want any of these clients to receive the invitation email, then you can select the opt all out of invitation email, and none of your clients will receive the invitation email. Okay, if any of these clients are new mover clients, if they're moving in the next few weeks or next couple of months, and you want them to take advantage of the program where we help them connect with utilities and we help them connect with internet and cable service providers, and the entire experience is branded to you, then click on the Add to Moving Concierge button on each of the individual cards, and we'll be sure to reach out and contact them to help them with those services. Okay, that's it. It's super simple. We want to make it very easy for you to take those contacts that you have in Command and move them over to HomeKeepr so that you don't have to take the extra step of adding them in 2 places. All right, we're really excited about this. I know that so many of you are really excited about this, and I look forward to working with all of you over this coming year as we help supercharge your database and get more value out of those contacts that you're importing into Command. All right, everybody, if anybody needs any help at all, any step of the way here, you can contact us at support@homekeepr.com. That's support@homekeepr.com. Or you can log into your HomeKeepr portal and click on the blue help button down on the bottom right, and one of our live customer support reps will get back to you right away. All right, everyone, thanks for your time, and I look forward to working with all of you. Bye-bye.